Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. And okay, so during some of the last videos, someone actually mentioned to keep this, this Tracy and Spider-Man back here. So yeah, I kept it back. So even I missed these two guys here. Since I started the new channel, wanted to keep it in that channel as well. So uh, I didn't keep it last time, but I will be keeping it moving forward here. And so if you didn't check out the new channel, go and check it out. For this week I unboxed this entire Kinder Joy Spider-Man, that entire set case itself, that I think 24 Kinder Joys. That was really neat. And so before that we unboxed one Optimus Prime and one ZD Dice Advanced Spider-Man. So do support that channel as well if you like action figures. So I got a plenty more coming up. So with that said, so this week we are going to unbox these. So this is from Matchbox, the Polaris RZR Pro R4 Sport. That is a longest name. I don't know who's thinking about all these names. I do have one more Polaris, but I bought it way too long back, like I think during 2015 or 2016. Back then I didn't had any channel, so I didn't post anywhere. So I think I showcased it in my that first tour, that collection tour. So it was a black one. I think I don't remember the model name right now. So let me keep this aside. Okay, let's get to the next one. So these are new for 2026, the Honda Ridgeline. I personally love trucks, so I bought it. The another one is also truck. So this is also new for this particular year. So this is a Jeep J10 step side. So honestly, it's sad in India. It is really not easy to get a truck. So I can see some Isuzu D-Max. I saw only once a Toyota. I don't know. It's a Hilux if I'm not wrong. So it's a jacked up Hilux if I'm not wrong. So I saw it only once in Chennai. I personally want to buy a truck. So I love my car. I am not going to deny that, but I do love trucks. So okay, let me get to the next one. So here is the Ford Mustang GT, the 1967 version. I personally love this casting. Let me tell you why. So even though it is mentioned as Burago here, this is a Maisto casting, and let me show you that here. You can see that one there. That is exactly this casting. Uh, if you are following this channel for from the start, you might remember that right now. I unboxed that particular casting. That is the Harley Davidson, special edition. It has nitrous bottle and everything on the back. The detailing looked really awesome. So this one is the casting is exactly the same. The only difference is this is a green color. So I'm hoping this is a glittery green color. That's the reason I bought it. I really wanted one more of that casting, but I can't able to find the exact version of that one, the Harley Davidson version. But I do love green color, and as you guys know, I am a sucker for glittery colors. So I bought this one. I think I bought this for somewhere around 500 if I'm not wrong. Okay, this one here. So someone actually commented this in one of my video to unbox this premium version. I didn't know this existed until I saw this. So I thought, okay, let's at least buy a couple. So I bought my favorites, the muscle car, the Dodge Challenger XRD Jailbreak. I personally don't have this jailbreak version, so I bought this one. This is pretty heavy if you ask me. And another one is everyone's favorite, which is this one, the Toyota Sprinter Torino AE86. And I bought this more specifically because, let me show you this here. It showcases a mechanism here for the pop-up headlights. I am really intrigued. I really want to unbox this and see how this one actually looks. And this scale is not exactly 1:64. This changes. This is what I like about this kind of brands. So it says 1:64 scale. Here it says 1:55 scale. So the scale actually varies. But okay, it is saying up to 3 inches. I really don't know what that actually means. So this is what we are going to unbox this week. So let's unbox it together and we will see what you know how all these things looks. I'm really excited this particular week because it's a mix of all these brands. More specifically these two. I'm really eyeing for these two. Okay, so stay tuned guys, and thanks for supporting, and as usual thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.